She's driving. But it was a 5-hour flight and I was totally dreading it, but I made it. I played some video games on my phone and I made it. So I'm so excited for the week. I'm going to try to not vlog too much so I can enjoy the moment, but I'm going to take you guys along as well. So stay tuned. Use the second lane. So it is day 2 here and I am up at 6 a.m. and I was wondering why, and then I realized that the time difference, because California is 3 hours behind. So I was like, oh my gosh, that makes so much sense. So I'm up so early and we're gonna go to the what are we gonna do? We're gonna go hiking at the Copacabana stairs. I know it's going to be very scenic, so I'm excited to just go and, you know, walk around and run and do some videography and take some pictures. And then after that, we're going to go to brunch. And then after brunch, we're going to go to the beach and we'll just see what we're going to do after that. But I just wanted to say hello. I didn't get to vlog so much yesterday because we were so tired and we didn't really do much. We just decided to dress up and we went to this lounge, which was a little bit dead. There was barely anyone. So we just decided to come back home and call it an evening. But I'm going to take you along today so you guys can see what our plans and itinerary is for the day. So I just love the morning view. That's Ria over there praying. She's a good Catholic girl. Yeah. Seriously, you guys, why is it 60 degrees? I'm freezing. We're about to go hiking, but it's ridiculously cold. I don't even understand. I thought it was gonna be hot. Smile, 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 smile. Okay, so we finally got to the trail that's taking us to the Copacabana stairs, and it was quite a mystery. Honestly, we couldn't find it, and we finally found them. We had to ask a lot of people how to get there, and they finally told us. Sharon, there's a dog. Are you scared? this your dog? No, I'm scared of dogs. Oh my gosh. Great. Well, that happened. Anyways, that was a dog, and the owner was like his friendly, and he wasn't on a leash. Well, Angela's always trying to kill somebody. She's trying to kill me. Why? 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 By this lovely lady. Someone's car is going off and it's quite annoying, but we're currently in the In-N-Out drive-through about to pick up some In-N-Out because apparently it is the move. So we're picking up food and then I'm going to be dropped off at the airport in a few minutes. I had so much fun in California. I honestly want to move here. Clearly I don't want to go back. I'm having major withdrawal syndrome right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog slash a video slash whatever the hell you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to drop some comments, drop some likes, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
We love you for watching.
Yes.